Hello everyone, welcome to this video for Knots by Kara. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ball with this Addi machine. First, in case this is your very first project, I'm going to show you how to cast on. There are two different ways to start a project, and today we're going to be starting with without a waste yarn. So all we're going to do is make sure we have a pretty decent sized tail here. And I like to loop it in like this, okay? I like to use this first one. You can use the second one though. And then I have my setting on circular knitting. Picture should pop up right there. And I'm gonna twist. Oh, sorry. We're gonna have to do the cast on like this. There we go. So front and back, and then front and back. So you're alternating front and back. Now we get back to the first black one, lock it in, and then holding it at a pretty decent tension here, enough so that way it's not too loose. If it's too loose, it splits the yarn. And I'm going to pull that tight. Once you get your rhythm. My yarn is a little thick, so if you're wondering why it was clacking so bad, I was having a little bit trouble grabbing my yarn. And that's just because it was about a little thicker. And we're just going to keep going until we reach about 30, maybe 30, 40. So I'm going to pause the video real quick and then we're going to restart again at the 40. Alright, we have now reached row 40 and I did stop right here at the black hook. So here's what you're going to do now. Grab your scissors, and you're going to need a pretty decent tail here, so I like to go half and back like this. And here's where your yarning needle comes in handy. And then all we're going to do, this is a little bit of a time process here. Not too bad since it's small. And then you're going to go into each hook just like this and loop it up. Okay. And like this, it's going to allow you to cast off without a scrap yarn or a waste yarn or base yarn, however you want to call it. But this kind of tie off means you are going to end up tying it, pulling it tight. About halfway here. Now there's a certain number of projects you can do with a cast on and cast off like this. These are the ones that you're going to have a closed ending. Like if you wanted to make a headband, you can have a closed beginning and a closed end. You would just fold the two in half, or however your pattern says. And we're almost near the end here. Grab that last one. and bring it up like this. I'm gonna undo this. Just so I can show you how I tie it all together. Okay, so now here we go. I'm gonna pull, roll it a little bit, pull it again, pull it super tight now. You can see I have like a little ending here. And I'm gonna make that as tight as possible. This is also one way to make a beanie. So one way to make a beanie, as you can see, if you did a different, in the next video I'm gonna show you how to do the waist yarn cast on, and then that way you can do that. But as for this video, we're doing the same cast on, cast off, because we're making a little ball. Make a little knot here, in through both sides. Lost my little spot right there. I'm gonna cut this just a little bit here, because we have kind of a long tail now. Now this side, we're gonna tighten it halfway. Now if you wanted to make a smaller ball, you probably could use much less than 40 rows, maybe like 20. I have some poly fill. It's a fiber fill. Here's the fun part, it's just making it into a ball. You can even use this as a start for a sock. Let's go ahead and throw a little bit more in there. I'm sure my kids will have fun with this yarn ball. Okay, I think that's pretty good there. I'm gonna kind of tie this tight. It's kind of a weird looking ball here, but it's enough smushable for them, as you can see. Looks kind of more like an egg, but I'm gonna roll with the egg. I think they'll have fun with an egg. Okay. Now I did have space for more of that in there, but I want it to be super squishy for them. Probably I'm gonna end up calling this video out to make an egg. I'm gonna smush this around. Looks kind of like an ostrich egg if you think about it. Alright, so now we're gonna put this in here just like that. We're gonna get rid of this little loop of yarn here. We're gonna hide that in there. Pull it a little tighter and let it go. Now that end is tucked away and hidden. As you can tell, my son is very excited to play with the egg. And again, we're going to tuck it in right here. Hide that extra yarn, pull it tight. And there we have it. We have made an egg. And this is just a small little project to show you how to do a cast on and cast off with a tightening end on both sides. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and God bless.